Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add the bank account in Botim in 2026. Now, in order to do it, first of all, you need to launch the Botim application on your phone. Then simply sign in into your account if you haven't already. Over here, you need to also make sure that you are using the latest application version because Botim money section has changed recently. Now, when you log in into your account in the all section, you are going to see the wallet option, or in your application, it will be with the name Botim Money or Payment. So this is where the banking and the transfer features are going to be managed. So before linking your bank account, Botim may ask you for your Emirates ID, phone verification and identity check, especially for UAE money transfer features. So over here you are going to see the option of adding the payment method. So you just have to tap on that, then select the option of add bank account. Afterwards you need to select the option of a link account. So then you just have to simply follow further on screen instructions in order to basically link your bank. You may also need to verify your bank via the phone number and the OTP. So you just have to do that. And when your bank account is linked, you will be able to use Botim for the international transfers, for wallet payments, for bank payouts, and even mobile wallet transfers. So that's how you can do it. Thank you.